oftentimes the ACT will test you on your ability to substitute values in for other values. To best represent this, let's do a couple of problems that involve substitution. So this first one, evaluate, in parentheses, x squared plus 2x plus 3, close parentheses, divided by, in parentheses, y minus 2, close parentheses, when x is equal to -5 and y is equal to -2. So questions where they ask you just evaluate expressions with an unknown variable or multiple variables, but then give you a value for the variables, those are pretty common. So let's actually just substitute the values of x and y in for this equation. Now keep in mind that one of the ways they try to trick you on the exam is to give you negative values, because they want you to make sure that you know how to use the negatives properly. So let's make sure when we're writing this out we distribute everything the correct way, or if you're using a calculator, that you plug it into the calculator the correct way. Okay, so we have x squared, so we're going to plug in -5. So -5 squared plus 2 times -5 plus 3. And of course this is all over y minus 2, so that is -2 minus 2. Alright, so let's set this equal to something and start simplifying this. So -5 squared is just 25, plus 2 times -5, so that is -10, plus 3, over -2 minus 2 is -4. So let's make this, we'll simplify it further. So 25 minus 10 is 15, plus 3 is 18, over -4. And that should be -4.5. So -4.5. Alright, next one. Let A equal 5b, let B equal 4c. What is the value of A if C equals 5? Alright, so this looks like a substitution problem with multiple substitutions. So if we plug in C is equal to 5, then we should be able to figure out B. So then B is equal to 4 times 5, since we're substituting 5 in for C. So B is equal to 20. We want to know the value of A, so A is equal to 5b. So 5 times b, and b is 20. So A should equal 100. Alright, last question. Let A equal 0.5b, let B equal 0.1c, and let C equal 20. What is the product of A and B? So B equals 0.1c, so 0.1 times 20. So that should be 2. And then A is equal to 0.5b. We can substitute in that 2 there. So A is equal to 1. And now they want us to figure out, we didn't want to figure out A, we actually wanted to figure out what is the product of A and B. So A times B is equal to 1 times 2. So that just equals 2.